Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to add and format text, headlines, and paragraphs using FlexiFunnels. First, create a new project, or select the exiting one. Inside the project page, click on the Edit option to open it. Once inside, click on the plus icon. Now go to the components. Choose Headline and drag it to the editor. Your headline is now added. Same like this. Let's add a subheadline in a paragraph by clicking here. Now, to edit any text, double-click on it. Remove or change the text. And your text is now changed. Let's change it back. Now, let's explore the text settings. Click on the settings icon. A pop-up will appear. Click on the text settings. You will find all the options to make changes to your text. Below that, you will find options to edit background, spacing, and effects. Explore these options and make the changes to suit your needs. And that's it. You're all set to style your text inside the FlexiFunnels. Thanks for watching.